Hey everyone! Believe it or not, you can completely transform your body and build serious muscle in just 3 weeks, using nothing but your body weight. That's right, no expensive gym memberships, no fancy equipment. All you need is your determination and your own body. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful bodyweight exercises that will help you build muscle, boost strength, and burn fat, all from home. And trust me, stay till the end, because the last one is a total game changer. Alright, let's dive in. 1. PUSH ups. The ultimate upper body builder push-ups are one of the best exercises ever created for upper body strength. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core, giving you a sculpted, powerful upper body. They also improve shoulder stability, posture, and endurance, essential for functional strength you use every day. How to perform. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Lower your chest close to the floor, then push back up explosively. Beginners can start with knee or incline push-ups, while advanced athletes can try diamond, archer, or clapping push-ups for more challenge. Push-ups set the tone. Now let's hit your lower body powerhouse. 2. Squats, the king of lower body exercises. Squats are the foundation of strength training. They target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core, building serious lower body muscle and stability. Regular squats not only shape your legs, but also enhance mobility, balance, and even boost natural muscle-building hormones like testosterone and growth hormone. Keep your chest up, back straight, and lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Push through your heels to stand up. That is how you engage your glutes and protect your knees. Want to level up? Add jump squats or pulse squats for explosive power. Your legs are fired up now. Let's get your heart pumping. 3. Mountain climbers, core and cardio in one. Mountain climbers combine strength and cardio in one intense move. They work your core, shoulders, chest, and legs, while torching calories fast. This move is perfect for burning fat and building a strong, stable midsection. How to perform. Start in a plank position and drive your knees alternately toward your chest, fast but controlled. Keep your abs tight and your back straight. The faster you go, the more calories you burn, and the stronger your core becomes. Heart rate up. Perfect. Let's keep that energy flowing. 4. Jumping jacks. Total body activation jumping jacks are more than just a warm-up. They're a full body activation exercise. They boost cardiovascular endurance, work your shoulders, calves, and core, and improve coordination and stamina. How to perform. Jump your feet out while bringing your arms overhead to clap, then return to the start position. Keep a steady rhythm and land softly. Want a challenge? Try resistance band or plyometric jacks to increase intensity. You're doing great. Now let's finish with strength, balance, and control. 5. Lunges, the balance and power builder. Lunges are incredible for building balance and power. They target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, while improving flexibility and core stability. They also mimic real-life movements, walking, running, climbing, making your body stronger for everyday life. Alternate legs for balance. For extra challenge, try reverse or walking lunges. They'll hit your muscles from new angles. Now that you've worked every muscle group, let's tie it all together. Bonus: 3-week bodyweight plan. Here's your simple 3-week plan to transform your body. Workout schedule. Train 5 days a week, alternating between strength days and HIIT days. Strength days, push-ups, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Squats, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. HIIT days. Mountain climbers, 3 rounds of 30 seconds. Jumping jacks, 3 rounds of 45 seconds. Rest 30 seconds between sets, and push your intensity each week. On the remaining 2 days, do light stretching, yoga, or walking for recovery. Follow this plan, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed by your transformation in just 3 weeks. And there you have it, 5 simple yet powerful exercises that can completely change your body. You don't need a gym, you don't need fancy equipment, you just need discipline and consistency. If you follow this plan and push your limits, your results will speak for themselves. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite exercise below. And don't miss the next video where I'll show you advanced bodyweight moves to get insanely strong. Keep training hard, stay consistent, And remember, your body is your best gym. See you in the next one.